Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for anyone looking to shed some pounds and improve their health: the importance of vegetables in weight loss. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting your health journey, incorporating more vegetables into your diet can be a game changer. Let's explore why. 1. Low in calories, high in nutrients. First up, vegetables are incredibly nutrient-dense yet low in calories. This means you can eat large portions without consuming a lot of calories. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body needs, making them a great choice for filling up without filling out. 2. Rich in dietary fiber. Vegetables are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, which plays a key role in weight loss. Fiber helps keep you full and satisfied by slowing down digestion. This means you'll feel fuller for longer, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods. Plus, fiber supports healthy digestion and can help prevent constipation. 3. Hydration and satiety. Many vegetables have a high water content, which adds volume to your meals and helps keep you hydrated. Hydration is crucial for metabolism and overall health. The combination of water and fiber in vegetables helps create a feeling of fullness, which can reduce overall calorie intake and support weight loss efforts. 4. Low glycemic index. Most vegetables have a low glycemic index, GI, which means they don't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This helps maintain steady energy levels and prevents the sugar crashes that can lead to cravings for unhealthy foods. Stable blood sugar levels are key to controlling appetite and managing weight effectively. 5. Variety and flavor. One of the best things about vegetables is the sheer variety available. From leafy greens to vibrant peppers and crunchy carrots, there's something for everyone. This variety not only adds color and flavor to your plate, but also ensures you get a wide range of nutrients. Experiment with different vegetables to keep your meals exciting and satisfying. Incorporating more vegetables into your diet doesn't have to be boring or complicated. Start by adding a salad to your meals, blending greens into smoothies, or snacking on veggie sticks with hummus. Remember, the key is consistency and making small changes that you can stick with in the long run. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and let's all make vegetables a delicious and regular part of our diets. See you next time.